least in heaven I can skate. 'Cause right now on earth I can't do jack without the man upon my back. Now heaven would be a DJ spinning dub all night long, and heaven would be just kicking back with Jesus packing my bomb. And if you don't believe in Jesus, then Muhammad or Buddha too. And while the world is warring, we just sit back and laugh at you, singing, if I die before I wake, at least in heaven I can skate. 'Cause right now on earth I can't do jack without the man upon my back. Now when most people think of heaven, they see those pearly gates, but I looked a little closer, and there's a sign that says do not skate. So if you wanna come to my heaven, well, we all gonna have a ball, and everyone you know is welcome, 'cause we got no gates or walls. Singing, if I die before I wake, at least in heaven I can skate. 'Cause right now on earth I can't do shit without the man fucking with it. Then I got to the gate, pulled out a list that I've been calling fake. I'm sorry friend, you can't come in, you got a list here that doesn't end. You're mad 'cause I smoke dope, you're teaching any classes in how to cope. I find a place to rest my head, I'd rather be alone now that I'm dead. That Christian soil went back in '87, we'll be busting cross stairs until we get to heaven. You think I really care that I miss biology? Got my education in stale physiology. With all your rules, you got to chill. I'm gonna twist out like Mike McGill. Gonna twist out 'cause I got the skills. Gonna twist out 'cause I got the skills. Got the skills, got the skills.
Heaven is a half pipe. Heaven is a half pipe.
If I die before I wake, at least in heaven I can skate. 'Cause right now on earth